Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Revenant, a truly stunning legend skin in Mobile Legends. Bang Bang. This coveted cosmetic is obtained through a unique draw-based event within the game. You'll need to participate in draws to collect a special currency. On average, players perform between 80 and 120 draws to successfully acquire this fantastic skin, which even boasts 2 different forms and an exclusive ID tag. To begin your quest for the Alpha Revenant skin, it's wise to prepare your resources. You'll generally need around 3,500 to 4,000 diamonds if you utilize all available discounts. A single draw costs 100 diamonds, but remember to take advantage of the daily 50% discount, bringing it down to just 50 diamonds. For larger pulls, a 10-time draw is 1,000 diamonds, with the first 10-time draw often discounted to 500. Your main objective is to accumulate 1,600 sinful crowns. Maximizing your draws is key to getting the Alpha Revenant skin efficiently. Make sure to perform your daily discounted single draw. This small saving adds up considerably. Keep an eye out for promo diamonds, as these can be used to further reduce the cost of your draws. Additionally, participate in premium supply events, which often reward you with free draw tokens. Recharging certain diamond amounts during these events can also provide valuable extra tokens and other helpful bonuses. Once you've gathered 1,600 sinful crowns, you can directly exchange them for the Alpha Revenant Legend skin. As you draw, you'll also earn wish score points, which unlock wish boxes containing additional rewards. Don't worry about duplicates. Any skins you already own will convert into more sinful crowns, helping you reach your goal faster. By consistently using daily discounted draws and leveraging all event bonuses, you'll secure this magnificent skin with the best possible value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.